How to change your delivery address on Shopee. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your delivery address on Shopee. For this, you want to open the Shopee app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Once you're here, locate the My Addresses option and tap on that. You will find your current address over here. Now, if you want to change your delivery address, go ahead and tap on the Add New Address option. Once you tap on this, here you will have to fill up some details. So start by entering your name, then enter your phone number. After that, you want to select your state or area. Then you want to enter the postal code. Now you want to select your house address. Now on the map, you want to confirm your address. Tap on the confirm option after that. Once you have entered all of these details, next step you want to do is toggle on this button that says set as default address. Then tap on the submit option. Once you do that, your new address will be successfully added and it will also be your default address, which means that your delivery will be done on this address. And in this way, you can change your delivery address on Shopee. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.